Hello everyone and welcome to a new process video of me, Femke Kokke. In this video I'm going to make a mixed media scrapbooking layout. I am using the magical powders that are in the color kit of May 2019, and I did some of the pigment powders on my craft sheet, added some water, and then I just added some splatters on my paper. And after that I used a stencil that is also in the color kit to add some gesso. And in the next step I am punching circles from all the papers in the main kit using several bunches with different sizes of circles. I also add some circles with my circle template and a black fine liner on the background of my paper. And then when I know where the circles are coming, I am going to cut out some paper. As you can see, I mapped my photo on a little light blue paper, and then I'm going to add some embellishments. And one of the embellishments I am going to add is a bow. I think it's called a bow. And it's something new for me because there are three pieces in the package. One piece you see on the paper, then the piece you fold in a bow, and then you put some strip around it. But I thought it was a sticker, but I didn't get it off, so I think it's not a sticker. But it's new for me. But I really love the bows. They're from Hip Kit Club. There are Hip Kit Club exclusives. And then I added some speech bubbles, I guess it's called, and I add some frame after my photo. I think it's called after, but you will see at the end of the video I am going to put the frame, the Polaroid frame, on the front. I put it on the photo. And then I am adding a little more color in the background because I love all the colors in the papers and the embellishments. They're very colorful, so I thought it might be pretty to also add some blue from the magical shakers. And then I also added some black splatters with some acrylic paint, added some water to it, and then I splattered on the background. And then I am adding lines to all of my papers and embellishments. I am using a 0.05 fine liner for that, and a ruler, and also I added some lines around the edges of the circles, and I also did that with my circle template. And then the final touch, some sticker and a little butterfly, and then my layout is finished. It's really short movie. It's very simple layout, but I hope I inspired you, and I hope to see some of your work inspired by my work. If you make some, please tag me or let me know you use my layout as inspiration. I really like that, and I hope to see you in the next video.